Brightening up your outdoor living area can drastically improve the way your garden or patio looks, and it might even inspire you to spend more time outside when the weather is warm. Solar lights, compared to low voltage and line voltage outdoor lights, are safer and more DIY friendly since there's little to no wiring required at all, says Sarah Jameson, Marketing Director of Green Building Elements. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 solar lights on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Brightech Ambience Pro Solar String Lights. Solar lights come in a variety of styles, including string lights. This string measures in at 27 feet long and features 12s14 size LED bulbs spaced 20 inches apart, making for 20 feet of lighting in total. The LED bulbs are expected to last 20,000 hours while the solar panel has a life of about 2.5 years. The solar string lights are meant to be durable with their shatterproof material and Brightech's weather-tight technology. While no official waterproof rating is given, this technology is designed to help the lights handle 50-mile-per-hour winds along with rain and snow. They're also resistant to temperatures as hot as 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The bulbs are made of plastic, but one tester said they are clear, pretty, and don't seem cheap. When we tested the lights with water and a dropped golf ball, the lights showed no damage. Number 2. Brighttown Outdoor Solar String Lights. Adding ambient lighting to a patio or deck is simple with these solar string lights. Coming in a pack of 2, each string of lights is 33 feet long and has 100 LED bulbs. The bulbs light up in all directions and give off a pure white glow. While the lights aren't bright enough for reading, they only illuminate an area within 1 foot during testing. They're a great choice for accent lighting. No installation is required for the lights themselves, other than hanging them up or placing them around a centerpiece table arrangement. Testers said it was simple to install the solar panel onto the stake provided, so the lights could charge during the day. The lights have 8 different modes: combination, waves, sequential, slow glow, chasing/flash, slow fade, twinkle, and steady, providing plenty of ambient lighting options to choose from. Lighting color, pure white, 6 other colors also available. Number 3. Rayolan Solar Ground Lights. For simple lights that sit flush with the ground, consider this set of 4 solar lights. Their warm lighting is perfect for lighting walkways with basic illumination at night, and the lights virtually disappear during the day thanks to their minimalist design. The lights are meant to sit flush with the ground, though you may notice the silver rim around the light if you place them in the grass. These are rated as IP65, or deemed water-resistant to splashes. We tested these lights by dropping a golf ball onto them and getting them wet. Testers said they held up well, although the light wouldn't stay on as long after we stored it in the freezer for a bit, so you may want to bring these inside during winter. These lights provide a nice ambient look, but you may need to purchase more than 4 to provide enough lighting for a longer path or sidewalk. Number 4. Home Zone Security Solar Wall Hanging Lights. Our choice for the best solar light that can be wall-mounted, these lantern-style solar lights come fully assembled, making for a convenient start to installing them on a wall or fence. However, installation isn't even required for these lights if you choose to simply set them on a patio table or deck railing. They do come with a wall mounting option so you can install them for a hanging lantern if you prefer. Of course, that requires some basic household tools like a hammer. Made of aluminum and glass, these lantern solar lights are an attractive option for adding light to your backyard. They have LED lights as well as an automatic on and off sensor. Though convenient, there's no switch or button to manually turn the lamp on and off, making this solar light a fairly basic one without lots of features or customization options. Number 5. Chemico LED Cast Aluminum Solar Post Light. This light has the look of a traditional lamp post with the energy-efficient benefits of solar power. It comes in black or white, giving you style options to match your home or outdoor patio area. The light is weather resistant, standing up well to our water tests, though the exact level of water resistance isn't given by the manufacturer. The frame is made from aluminum and frosted glass, which gives it an attractive appearance. However, the glass did not stand up to our golf ball test, with the glass shattering after impact. The solar panels on the light did not shatter. With this in mind, we recommend covering and protecting the light if hail is in your local weather forecast. We found the lights to give off a pleasing, beautiful glow, which was bright enough for us to read by. Keep in mind that this lamp doesn't include any additional features. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. Check out the description box if you want to know the product price. Thanks for watching.